Hey guys, what's up? So I'm gonna tell you how to earn money very easily at home. To answer this question, I can give you one word: Forex. Millions of people across the world are investing in Forex every day, and most of them are benefiting too. So you can also do this by having a small investment. But more money you have, the higher you will get the return. But what if you don't have any idea of Forex? You can also be the Forex trading by having the knowledge of Forex. But how do you get the knowledge of Forex? That's what I'm going to tell you in the video. So if you don't know what's Avoria Prime, they make trading softwares. So trading softwares can help you analyze and gives you more knowledge about Forex. If you don't know anything about Forex, then this is the best opportunity to know more about Forex. And if you already know about Forex, this will give you better analysis and increase your knowledge about Forex. Not only does it give you knowledge about Forex, it also gives you analysis of previous investments. So all you got to do to get this tool is to click the link in the description and visit their official website, or you can follow them at forex_IM in Instagram. I have also given the Instagram link in the description. You can follow and DM them and to get more info. So guys, it's really simple to do. Just click the link in the description. The first link is a website, second link is the Instagram handle. So if you still not convinced, then here is a video and here are some images which will convince you. So that was the video guys. I really hope you understood about the trading software, and I really hope you will click the link in the description and check out their website now. So thank you for watching the video guys. Click right here to subscribe to the channel. Click right here to watch the gaming series. Click right here to watch the funny types of videos, and click right here to watch the latest video of Ss.R. Please consider subscribing and do consider clicking the link in the description and checking out their website. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.